Today we will learn the more models. So in more models, we have total 3 models there, and these are be used to, be bound to, and be supposed to. So we will learn it. So our first structure is by using be used to. And the structure is subject plus be used to and then verb plus ing. So by using this structure, what kind of sentence we can say? If you notice the Bangla meaning is obhosto. Bangla meaning is obhosto. That's mean in our past time we did this work and nowadays we do this work also, right? If we say that it's my habit, it's my past habit, also it's my current habit. That's mean in my past I did the work, and if I talk about nowadays, then I'm doing the work also, right? So we call this type of things our habit. So for this type of sentence, we can use this structure, that is be used to. And after be used to, we have to use verb plus ing. So for your betterment, you can memorize like that way. So first thing, we are using be. So instead of be, we can use am, is, are, was, were. Okay. And if we are using am, is, are, was, were, that's mean definitely we have to use verb plus ing, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So by using verb plus ing, which tense you can guess? Like, is it continuous or future or past?
continuous.
Continuous. Continuous. That's mean in our past we did the work and nowadays we are doing the work. Got it? So let's make some sentence by using this structure. So yes, sir.
Used to এটা তো it is basically past habit and be used to it is present habit.
Yes, it indicates our present habit also. And before that, you have to pay another 20 taka because you say bang. That's mean total how many? Be ready. We are counting. No worries.
Okay, ma'am, okay. I will pay on the
I have counted total money 120 taka.
Not
No,
120.
no,
It's more than 250.
no, ma'am, is more than 500 also.
Okay, we will collect it. No worries. Okay, so let's make some sentence. Think a practical example. As a practical example is, in your past, you learned something, right? In your school, college, university, you learned something, right? And nowadays, you are learning also. So you can say that it's one kind of habit, right? So if I say that আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত or আমি নিয়মিত শিখি, right? আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত আর আমি নিয়মিত শিখি. For this type of sentence, we can use this structure. So if I translate it, I am used to learning. I am used to learning. That's mean আমি নিয়মিত শিখি or আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত. If I say অভ্যস্ত, that's mean in my past I did it and nowadays I am doing it. And both meaning are same. That is আমি নিয়মিত শিখি or আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত. Both are same. Okay? Have you got the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will tell you the Bangla and you will try to translate. Before that, I'm telling you by using all the subject. Okay? Listen carefully. I am used to practicing. আমি চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. We are used to practicing. আমরা চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. You are used to practicing. তুমি চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. You are used to practicing. তোমরা চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. They are used to practicing. তারা চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. He is used to practicing. সে চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. She is used to practicing. সে চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. Rana is used to practicing. Rana চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. My friend is used to practicing. আমার বন্ধু চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত. Okay? Both Bangla meaning are same. আমি চর্চা করতে অভ্যস্ত, আমি পড়তে অভ্যস্ত, আমি সাঁতার কাটতে অভ্যস্ত, and instead of this we can say another meaning, that is আমি নিয়মিত চর্চা করি. If I say নিয়মিত, what does it mean? In past I did it and nowadays I'm doing it also, right? So both meaning are
Yes.
same. So now I will tell you the Bangla meaning and everyone you will translate it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So আমি খেলতে অভ্যস্ত.
I am
I am used to playing.
Playing.
আমি ফুটবল খেলতে অভ্যস্ত।
I am
I
used
am
to
used to playing
Playing
football.
football.
আমি সন্ধ্যার সময় ফুটবল খেলতে অভ্যস্ত।
I
I
am used to playing football in the evening.
in the evening.
Yes, I'm used to playing football in the evening. Okay, so আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
I
I
am
am used to learning.
Learning.
আমরা শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
We are
We
used
are
to
used to learning.
আমরা ইংরেজি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
we are used to
Used to learning English.
Okay, তুমি ইংরেজি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
You are used
You are used to learning English.
English.
If I say তুমি নিয়মিত ইংরেজি শিখো।
You are used to
English regularly.
Okay, তারা নিয়মিত সাঁতার কাটতে অভ্যস্ত।
they are
They
are
are
used
used to swimming regularly.
regularly.
Okay, everyone please silent. Shubho sir,
Yes, ma'am.
you will translate it. তারা নিয়মিত সাঁতার কাটে।
Okay, ma'am. They are swim regularly.
Why regularly? নিয়মিত
Ma'am,
কাটে। Yes, so if we
Continuously.
follow this structure, then we don't need to add anything else. As an example, they are used to swimming. That's mean তারা নিয়মিত সাঁতার কাটে। Or if I say তারা সাঁতার কাটতে অভ্যস্ত, they are used to swimming. Both are same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So another sentence for you.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
that means when we use here be used to, and that time no need to adding extra any adverb regularly every day. No need to add this
No need. No need.
adverb.
Because it's indicate our habit. So what is our habit? In our past, whatever we did, and in our present or in whatever we are doing, and in our future, what will we do? This is our habit, right? So if you are saying about your habit, then no need to say any extra thing. Shihab sir,
Yes,
translate it. আমি গল্প করতে অভ্যস্ত।
I'm used to gossiping.
তারা গল্প করতে অভ্যস্ত।
They are used to gossiping.
সে গল্প করতে অভ্যস্ত।
He's used to gossiping.
Okay. সে শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
He's used to learning.
সে খেলতে অভ্যস্ত।
He's used to playing.
সে ফুটবল খেলতে অভ্যস্ত।
He's used to playing football.
Okay, thank you. Yusuf sir.
Okay, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, I know that you are ready. So translate it, sir.
Yes,
আমি শিখতে অভ্যস্ত।
I am used to learning.
আমি শেখাতে অভ্যস্ত।
We are,
I used to teach.
I used to, yes, I used to learn.
I am used to teaching.
শেখা। Hajira ma'am, what will be the answer?
I am used to teaching.
I am used to teaching. Okay, thank you. And
Shikha.
then Asfa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you will translate that. আমি দৌড়াতে অভ্যস্ত।
I am used to running.
Okay, thank you. And then Shubho sir,
Yes, ma'am.
আমি কাচ্চি খেতে অভ্যস্ত।
I'm used to eating kachi.
Okay, মিতু ম্যাম, আমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে অভ্যস্ত।
I am used to speaking English.
Okay, and then Shihab sir, for you another sentence.
Yes,
আমি বাংলায় কথা বলতে অভ্যস্ত।
I'm used to speaking Bengali.
Okay, so this structure is clear for you,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's clear.
everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.